Hello, and welcome to a new episode from Mac the Tech. This is Muhammad. I am Power BI consultant, and I'm here to help you in your Power BI project. I make a small series of episodes that cover different topics in Power BI to guide you and help you in your Power BI journey. I think you will like the content that I'm presenting, and for this, I'm going to ask you to subscribe for this channel, turn on the bell icon to receive notification as soon as I post something new, and like and share the episode with your friends that are interested in such content. Without further ado, let's go to the episode and see what today we are going to cover in Power BI. Today we are going to speak about the enhanced role level security that is introduced in February updates in Power BI. Let's go deep and dive and see how we can do it in Power BI. So in Power BI, what we can do is first to activate it, we have to go to the option and settings and go to options. Inside options, you go to preview features, and in the preview features, before the last one, enhanced row level security editor. This is very important to tick this, and once you tick it, you'll have to restart Power BI so that it is active for you. What this does is that you can now, instead of using DAX to set the roles of the visuals that you want to show, now you can do it in a plug and play if you want sort of things instead of using DAX. So it's much more enhanced, and at the same time it's user friendly. All you have to do is go to modeling, and in the modeling you can manage roles. So you see here, switch to DAX editor. This is the previous way of role level security. You have to write a certain code so that you can express the role you want. Using my sample data that I work on here, I have also in the sample data, if you want to look at it as a sample data, in the sample data, I can have the date, the total sales, the product that I want to sell, families, year, month, timeline, and the colors, the customer, and the country, and the city. So say I want for certain customers, when they log in, they only see their own cities. To do so, what I'm going to do is the following. I'm going to put the customer and then put the country and the city. And this way, we can see that we have for each customer several countries and several cities, or one country and one city. What I want to use, if we logged in, for example, with Sam, who is available in 2 cities in Saudi Arabia, the filter and what he will see when he opens Power BI is only the region that he is in. And to do so, I have to go to, as I said, modeling, manage roles. And in the manage roles, I'm going to ask for a new one and say I want the customer who will visit or open this Power BI is Sam. And once Sam is here, I want to filter the data according to what Sam, in what region he is. I want to choose the country, and in the country, I would say SA. So if the country is Saudi Arabia, Sam will only see data that is in Saudi Arabia. And here we go. So if we look at this in the table here, if I say view as, and I choose that the view to be Sam, once I do that, you see I have 2 people in Saudi Arabia actually, Mazen and Sam. So I can see Mazen and Sam, Riyadh, Jeddah. So what if I want Sam to see only Sam? I don't want him to see Mazen as well. So this way, I can stop the viewing as Sam. I go back to manage roles, but let's make it in a bit better to visualize. So let's take these out and put them somewhere up, and take this on the side, and take these on the side as well. Move this a little bit, bring the Azure map, which will give a nice view for the cities and the countries. So I would say location, and I would say the total sales is the size of the location. And as you can see, I have Turkey, Lebanon, Saudi Arabia, and I have United Arab Emirates in the bottom below. So manage roles. As you can see, I asked for Sam, but in the sample data, I only filtered on the city. What I can do as well is that I can put the customer and then say Sam. So here, What I'm saying is that the country should be Saudi Arabia and the customer should be Sam for it to filter Sam. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna close. And now when I use the view as Sam and I log in here, you see the data is filtered only to Saudi Arabia and only to Sam. You can see where I'm going with this. For example, if I want to do another example here, let me first stop viewing as Sam and say I want to visualize only when people log into this country and they belong to this country. I want to say Lebanon here. If it is in the country Lebanon, I add the sample data, add from the sample data, and I would say the country is equal to LB. Save, close. If I want to see, so whoever logs in and he belongs to Lebanon, he will only see Mek and Ryan, and both are in Lebanon. This is an idea of how we can manage row-level securities, because now once you publish this data and you go to the Power BI services, you can select the users as per the location that they belong to. And then when they log in, they will see particular data that belong to this user. That's it for today. I hope you liked the episode, and if you liked the episode, please write in the comments what did you like, and let's open a discussion about the episode and what you think is challenging to you in your Power BI project. I'm here to help you. Please reach out if you need any help. Have a nice day.